Hi, today I'm going to show you one of the most cheapest smartwatch in the market with Amoled display.
It connects with Bluetooth 5.2 and has cooling features. Okay, let's unbox it. It comes with only a charging cable and a single strap. The strap is very soft and good quality. This round shape looks very premium with ceramic build. It is always on display features with 100 sports mode. This watch is IP68 waterproof. It has 280 mAh battery that will give backup more than 7 days on regular use. You will find so many watch face which you can also customize from apps. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos of gadgets.